Special Eid Mutton Bhuna, also known as Gosht fry. Simple yet sublime ingredients enhance the meat's flavor without overpowering it. Welcome back to Burmawala Kitchen. Let's commence by marinating 1 kilogram of boned mutton. In a mixing bowl, combine the succulent mutton with 2 teaspoons of vibrant haldi, 2 teaspoons of fine salt, 2 teaspoons of fiery chili powder, 6 teaspoons of aromatic dana jeera, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, and 1 tablespoon each of our garlic and ginger paste. Mix everything thoroughly to ensure each piece of meat is beautifully coated. There's no need to marinate for long, just enough time to prepare our onions and spices. In a medium heated pan, add a generous cup of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 2 finely chopped onions. Fry the onions until they reach a glorious golden hue, which should take about 10 minutes. Onions are essential for creating a rich, flavorful base. Now let's introduce our dry aromatics. 1 teaspoon of jeera seeds, 7 fragrant peppercorns, 5 green cardamom pods, 2 bold black cardamom pods, and 5 cloves. Fry these spices for a mere 30 seconds until the kitchen is filled with their intoxicating aroma. It's time to add our marinated mutton to the fragrant onions. Fry the meat until it takes on a splendid color, about 5 minutes. This process is known as bhuna, which means to fry, crucial for developing deep, complex flavors. Today, we're crafting a dish that's not only perfect for Eid celebrations, but also an exquisite treat for any special occasion. Add in a tablespoon of tangy malt vinegar while frying the meat. It aids in tenderizing and cooking the meat to perfection. Once we have a beautiful color on the meat, add a bunch of fresh coriander and mix it in thoroughly. Next, add 4 green chilies, split to release their full flavor. Give everything another quick mix. Now pour in enough water to cover the meat. Bring it to a gentle boil, then lower the heat, cover, and let it simmer for about an hour, or until the meat is wonderfully tender. Fresh meat usually takes about 60 minutes. Check on the meat periodically to ensure it's cooking splendidly. Once the meat is tender, it's time to reduce the liquid. Increase the heat to high and fry continuously, keeping the meat moving so it doesn't catch and burn at the bottom. There you have it. Our magnificent mutton bhuna is ready. Just look at how spectacular it looks. Let's finish it off with a flourish of fresh coriander. It truly makes all the difference. We'll be serving this delectable dish with freshly made fragrant rice. This dish is traditionally prepared during Eid when fresh meat is available, often with a bit of extra fat, adding a richer flavor. If you're making this for a regular dinner, you can use leaner meat and a touch less oil. Thank you for joining me once again. Happy cooking.